the director of nursing, housekeeping supervisor, administrator, infection preventionist, and building services leaders can work with your vendor to identify the proper cleaning and disinfecting products necessary. For COVID-19, EPA registered List N against SARS-CoV-2 is the approved disinfectant list that should be used during this pandemic. If you go to the EPA website and click on List N, you will be able to search the list of registered products to choose from. It is essential that the facility choose products from this list for proper disinfectants for other pathogens as well. For example, if you have residents with C. diff, you should be choosing List K for antimicrobial products effective against C. diff spores. Again, using the proper product will be essential in the spread of infections in your facility.